Hi guys, this is Antti. Today I will show you two cool promotional products. One is this silicon power bank, what has actually inside built cable that you can charge it, and also it has the Android regular charging cable part. And what makes this product cool is that here you can see how much it is you have available like power inside the power bank, and also this is 10,000 milliampere hours, so it's quite powerful. And it's very cool looking, and it's imitation leather, so it's very like exclusive promotional product. And this is one product I will recommend to use as a promotional product. You can engrave or UV print or use pad print on this product, and it will look fantastic. Also, you can use this product with other products. Let's say this wireless charger part. So you can use this wireless charger, and also you can look here. There is the part where you can add your logo. And the logo is actually lighting up, so it's pretty amazing. And this is one of the trendy products of 2019. I recommend both of these products. So you can see it's charging. So these are the trends for 2019. So visit our website and look for these nice products. Thank you. Bye.